The story of Eastern Kentucky and Appalachia in general is coal. When coal dried up, when the railroad stopped serving these communities, things got different here in Eastern Kentucky and in Appalachia. And our goal when we came here for the first time and saw this rail yard that was in disrepair and only a few decades before was one of the center points of the region and one of the big employers of the area. It was sad to see it, but we saw potential in a new way of bringing positivity and economic development and tourism to Eastern Kentucky that had not been done. And to see it to where it is now and to see where it can go is extremely humbling. And one of the biggest reasons is the private investment and also big grants like the AMLER $1.9 million grant that we just received. So it's humbling to see where we've come in such a short amount of time relatively, but also to see that other people believe how we believe in Eastern Kentucky. Well, the 2023 AMLER award that we got for $1.9 million is divvied up into several things. One, the restoration of 2716. Two, the revitalization of this rail infrastructure here, so putting in track to a bunch of different places, including our inspection pits and all three bays of the shop here, as well as up to the yard office. It involves putting up the glass house from the R.J. Corman facility that used to be in downtown Lexington. They took it down, they donated it to us, and we're going to re-erect that to make it something that's a multi-use facility as well as a place to display rail equipment. Some of the money is going to go towards revitalizing the exterior of the yard office, which is a circa 1915 building. And one of the coolest things about it is we're going to be able to restore the fuel facility. So it's a 1980s era fuel facility that CSX utilized here. All the pieces are there. It needs to be painted and prettied up. And with the addition of track and some lighting, it's going to be a real showpiece and something that honestly nobody in rail preservation has done. So there's a lot of pieces that this AMLER grant is going to go to, and it's really going to be exciting to see what it renders in the coming years. The whole concept of this is multi-purpose. We want this to be more than just a one-trick pony. We like trains. A lot of people like trains. Trains themselves are a great tourist attraction. People come from miles, states, even countries away to come see some of the stuff that we have here. But that's not going to be the one thing that we do here. And because we have a lot of property here, it's an area that we're developing into a thing that can be a community space, and it also can be something that people from other walks of life that aren't necessarily interested in trains can come to. One of the big things is the concert venue that was sponsored and built by the Hardy family. So we have a concert venue that was just finished in the past several weeks. And in 2024, that will be able to hold concerts up to 4,500 people. So you can come here and ride a train. You can go to the train museum that some of the former railroad workers have put together here. You can go to a concert. You can go to a food truck. It's really hard to explain in a really small package because there's so many things going on here. But when you see the concept, when you step on campus and see that it's just more than trains, it's really something to behold. And I think it's developing into the thing that we thought it could be. If you're interested in volunteering, you don't have to have a specific skill, especially not towards railroading, in order to be a useful part of what we're doing here. Paperwork, logistics, anything that you're interested in doing that you might think, well, maybe they need some help doing that. I tell you, there's been some people from all walks of life that have come in here and been able to help us. It's a fun environment. It's positivity all over the place because we're doing something that we love to do, which is a work with trains, but also for the good of the community. So I think that it's not necessarily something that should be viewed as as specifically volunteering for a train organization. There's many pieces of the puzzle, and if you're interested in doing so, you can contact us at kentuckysteam.org/contribute. You can get in touch with us there. You can volunteer. If you're not in the area and just want to contribute monetarily, you're more than welcome to make a donation. Or if you're in the area only occasionally and want to come for specific events, or to say I want to punch tickets or help park cars, anything along those lines would be greatly appreciated because we are an all-volunteer organization with no paid employees, and this thing goes with manpower that's strictly given for the good of the community.